Welcome to StoicHope, where we explore the art of living and the quest for happiness. Today, we're embarking on a truly transformative journey, a week of living like a Stoic. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy rooted in wisdom, courage, and self-control, has been praised for its ability to bring happiness. Join me as I immerse myself in the Stoic way of life for 7 days and share the insights I gain along the way. What is Stoicism? But before we begin, let's understand what Stoicism is. Stoicism is a philosophy that originated in ancient Greece around 300 BC and became a powerful force in the Roman Empire. It teaches that the path to happiness is through living by nature, mastering one's emotions, and cultivating virtues. The Stoics believe in wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline. Day 1. Wisdom. Day 1 marks the beginning of my Stoic experiment with wisdom. The Stoics emphasize the importance of seeking knowledge and understanding the world around us. Today, I'll dedicate time to reading classic Stoic texts and reflect on the idea that it's not the external events that disturb us, but our judgments about them. I'll be sharing my insights and challenges with you throughout the day. Day 2, Courage Day. 2 is all about courage, a key Stoic virtue. Stoics encourage us to face our fears and challenges head-on. Today, I've set myself a personal challenge, confronting a fear I've been avoiding for a long time. I'll document my journey and share my thoughts on whether confronting my fears can truly bring happiness. Day 3, Justice. Day 3 revolves around justice. Stoicism emphasizes living in harmony with others and promoting fairness. I've planned acts of kindness and volunteered my time to a local charity to put Stoic justice principles to the test. Join me as I explore whether acts of justice contribute to my happiness. Day 4, Self-discipline. Day 4 is dedicated to self-discipline, a trait highly regarded by the Stoics. They believe in controlling desires and impulses. Today, I'm cutting out distractions and focusing on productive work. I'll implement Stoic techniques to maintain focus, and by the end of the day, we'll assess the impact of self-discipline on my overall well-being. Day 5, Resilience. Day 5 is all about resilience. Stoicism teaches us to accept the things we cannot change. I've set up scenarios to face unexpected challenges and adversities. The aim is to practice the art of acceptance and stay calm and collected in the face of adversity. How will this affect my happiness? Stay tuned to find out. Day 6, Gratitude. Day 6 is dedicated to gratitude, another Stoic principle. The Stoics emphasize appreciating what we have and not focusing on what we lack. I'll keep a gratitude journal to see if it enhances my overall happiness and brings a deeper sense of contentment to my life. Day 7, Reflection and Conclusion. On the final day, I'll reflect on my week living like a Stoic. What have I learned? Did I become happier, as the Stoics suggest? I'll take you through my entire journey, sharing my thoughts, challenges, and insights. It's time to draw some conclusions and discuss whether Stoicism has the potential to bring greater happiness into our lives. Conclusion: what a transformative week this has been. Living like a Stoic has given me a newfound appreciation for the wisdom of ancient philosophers. While I may not have achieved instant happiness, I've certainly felt more in control of my emotions and reactions. Stoicism provides a roadmap to a more contented life, reminding us that happiness is a lifelong pursuit. If you enjoyed this experiment and want to dive deeper into the world of philosophy and personal development, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Happiness is an ongoing journey, and Stoicism just might be one of the paths worth exploring. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, and I'll see you in the next video.